Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to unbox the Onekey Classic crypto hardware wallet. I received this wallet yesterday and I'm going to show you everything I got inside. So the first thing I got was a bag. Do not know why I got a bag, but that's cool. And I got this, okay? I have actually opened this because I just wanted to check it out before I really did an unbox, but you had to rip off the top and the bottom so you at home there knows that nobody has been inside your goddamn wallet, okay? So that's very important. And one more safety thing is when you open this up, I got the manual and I also got the actual manual. So it's quite self-explanatory here. In details, you can read it yourself. I will not go into details about this exact thing here. I will put it in the box here and I will go to the previous here. So what you see, this is actually the hardware wallet. It's very thin, okay? This is a card, it's a trading card, but it's the same size as a credit card. And as you see here, it's smaller in size too, okay? And the thickness it's probably double the size of a credit card, okay? So the first thing you need to do is click on this button here, okay? This is the on button. Hold that down and you will come to this here. Onekey Classic and whatever it says there. Click on next. Here we'll come to several different options. You can choose whether you want to have guide, create, restore, and about. What we want to do in this video is click the button to create, okay? So follow the prompts to create your wallet. Okay, so we click on next. Please select the number of mnemonic phrases. This is the recovery phrase. If you tend to forget anything, you will have it because inside the box, it is a green package here and it says recovery sheet. You will have 3 different sheets in this and you will use all of the sheets. Okay, I suggest using all of the sheets. If you buy this wallet, make sure you do not lose your mnemonic phrase. So I suggest having it in a safe. Okay, so what you do is you have up to 24 phrases you can write down there. So we click the next button and on this page it comes, okay, how many phrases do you want to use? 12, 18 or 24? I suggest you at home there choose 24 and then click OK. Write down your seed phrases, comes to the next screen. Then you click on the next button, seed phrase 1. So let's say your seed phrase 1 is dog. Well, then you take your sheet and write down on number 1, dog. Then you come to the same thing here and then you click on confirm like so. And then you will have for seed phrase number 2, casino. Then you write down on number 2 on your paper there, casino. Number 3, south. Number 4, taxi. Whatever the words are, up to 24 words, write them down on the sheet. I will do it separate and I will come back when I've actually wrote down all of the phrases. You can do the same. When you come to the last word on the list and written it down on your seed phrase paper, click on the next button. Then you will come to check written 24 seed phrase. I think this is the same for whether you choose 12, 18 or 24. I think 24 is the safest, so that's why I'm choosing it. I chose it. Click on next. So now we will go down the list and you will have on the top, you will say the word number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5 downwards, and you will check it the same as me doing. Okay, it's quite self-explanatory. When you come to the last word, it says choose this OK. You can do it yourself like so. Click on OK. Select the correct word below you will have on the screen. Okay, so you click on the next button and it says select your 7th mnemonic phrase. So confirm. Then you will need to look at your paper and click on the 7th word. it will be a list of several different words here, and you will find the exact word that fits with your seed phrase. Okay, click on OK. So select your first mnemonic phrase will come up. This is just to check and see if you actually written down the words it says. So confirm, then you will choose the first word. Okay, select your 20th mnemonic phrase, comes up on the screen. Click on confirm, and then you will find the 20th word you have. Find it on the list of words. Okay, mnemonic verified pass says on the screen. Click next. The seed phrases are the only way to recover your asset. Keep it safe. This is the most important thing. If you get anything out of this video, keep it safe. Please set the pin. Okay, comes up on the screen here. Next, please enter your set the pin. Please enter a new pin. I will enter a pin here. It says on the screen like so, and you will enter a pin. The pin you can write on the top of the paper. Okay, do not share it with anyone out there. When you've written down all of the words or the numbers of your pin, you will come to a please re-enter your pin. You will take the pin you've written down and you will input it here on the device. Then you will come to the screen and it says next or done. Now we're done. So as you see here, wallet created, success, done. Press any key to continue, and then you will have several different screens there. The next thing you will need to do is you will, in your case, you will get a like so connection. What you need to do is you need to put it into your computer. If this, for some reason, you do not have this mini USB-C connection on your computer, you can get a connection that kind of transfer this to USB. Okay, every computer has a USB connection, 100% sure. So you connect it in, connect the device in, and now we are going to the website. So now that we have the wallet connected to the actual computer, we then need to go to this website here. I will do it with you. onekey.so/start. Do not use any other website, okay, to connect your wallet. It could mean that you actually they are stealing your money, okay? Just saying. You can also go to OneStart and click on Start button. Then you will come to this website here where it says download. In this case, I will only do the Windows one, but you can also have a mobile app and do it on your mobile phone. In 2 seconds, I will do that at the same time here. So for this, we are going to do the computer. So we download the Windows version of, okay, so now I have double-clicked on the actual file itself, and then we come to a screen like so, okay? So what you need to do is click, this is Norwegian computer, but you probably have English. You will just click on more info on top here and click run the software. So then we get a thing here like so. So only for me, the actual user, yes, install. So now the actual program is installing. Now we are going to run the ONEKEY software, okay? So then we have create wallet, import wallet, connect hardware wallet. This is what we want to click. Connect your device. The device is connected, found, device status check. Now you will have a screen like so, okay? What you need to do is you need to, on this here, let's say 8 is here, you need to click that if that's the first letter of your code or your PIN. So I will put in my PIN here. So I will show you this because I'm going to create a new one. So I've written down the words here on the paper. So this is the code on top here. So I will find the number on here and I will click this at the same time. So it's not 1 here, 1, 2, or 3. It's, let's say, like so, okay? So if you see the numbers there, those are how the numbers are on the actual pin here. So the first number on my thing here is 1, so I click this one, and then I click on 7, 211, 1, 2, 3, 66, and then 6 is here, 1, 2. When you typed in your PIN code, you will come to this here. Sometimes you need to actually update the wallet, so you click on the top here of the actual wallet, click on the three buttons below here, and here we have update available. Click on this. Please keep your device on charge to ensure proper upgrade. Okay, update. You have your phrase yes. So on the device you will have a screen, are you sure you want to update? Click on confirm. Then you will need to type in your PIN code. Click on OK. ONEKEY is bootloading, and on the screen here we see it's actually updating the device itself for the new upgrade. On the screen here, install 𝐵LE firmware, or yeah, okay, continue. So it's updating on the screen too. Installing 𝐵LE firmware. So this is something you should do once in a while, okay, to know that your actual device is updated to the latest firmware. Done. Now the device will actually reset itself, and data transfer mode, use a charger if you want to fast the charger, okay? And then you will need to type in your PIN again here, like so on the screen. When you typed the code, you click on done on the device. Now the device is updated and up to speed on the latest firmware. So now we are going to reconnect to the actual ONEKEY itself. So now we have the wallet here, and I want to remove device because I want to put it in again here. Create new wallet, connect hardware, wallet, this thing here. Make sure it's the actual device you are connecting to your computer there. Press any key to connect. Let's go. So now we're ready. So now we have several different things we can do here. So you can have NFTs, you can have history, and you have the tools section here. So the tokens we want to use is following. So we can just, let's say you want to receive tokens. Click on the button on top here. So check address, confirm on the device, yes. So now this address here is your address or your Bitcoin address, okay? You can copy this and you can transfer funds over to a safe wallet. This is very important. So on top here we have, if you click this button on top here, the arrow down, you will have several different things you can choose from here. So you can have Phantom, Polygon, Ethereum, OKX, CELO, Conflux. I've did a review on that previously. And you can have a lot of coins, okay, connected. So let's say we want to have a bit of that Arbitrum. Go into the Arbitrum, allow. So now we have some tokens here. You also have a receive button on top here. You can, let's say we want to have this received. Check address, confirm on your actual device, and this is your wallet. What I like is you actually get a QR code to here. So if somebody can just scan this and send you Arbitrum, make sure it's Arbitrum on top there. So this is basically a good way to have crypto in your wallet. Here you can choose the coins you want to add 12 tokens to your wish list, watch list, trending. You can see a lot of coins that's trending at the moment. GameFi, DeFi, NFTs, lending. So let's say we want to buy some Shiba Inu. Click on this button here, and you can actually buy it from the device itself. New page comes up, and then you come to this screen here. And let's say you want to buy $100 worth of SHIB. You can use credit card, Apple Pay, Google Pay, debit card, Trustly, AstroPay, Skrill, whatever you want, and click buy. This will return and come into your wallet here. And I must say, this is quite great actually, this wallet here. Now I'm going to show you the mobile phone version of the same process, okay? So what you need to do is go to the same website, but on your phone, click that link, and then you will come to the free downloads page. I will actually go and click on /start. Then we come to the same page here, to the downloads page. So we want the actual Android version. We can download it from Google Play. Yes, we want to do this. And here we have the wallet itself. Now I'm going to click on install. So once this is installed, you can actually use it on your phone too. This is a great option for anyone out there that do not have a computer. In this day and age, a mobile device itself is actually a computer. The camera you have on the backside here is a very good camera, okay, just saying. So now we actually need to pull it out of our computer and put it in our mobile phone below here, like so. So now you come to this screen here, and we will click on Connect Hardware Wallet, Connect Device. You need to enter a PIN on the ONEKEY device. So now that it's connected, device. And now it says on the screen here, go to settings on your Bluetooth. You need to have Bluetooth on. Yes. Then we need to find the actual Bluetooth device. Connect device. Looking for devices. Then we find the actual wallet itself here. Click on this button below here. Connect. Yes. And then we need to have a pairing code. So the pairing code is on the ONEKEY. So then we need to type this code here. Connect together. Same thing process. So the devices are same as on the computer. So I will not go in details about the app. Pressing the key to continue. Let's go. Same thing here. You have the same options, but just on your phone. This was a very in-depth review of ONEKEY Classic crypto hardware wallet. It's very small, and it's at the moment you will get I think it is 10 or 15% discount if you use the link below this video to ONEKEY. I think it's $80 or something at the moment. So this is a very in-depth, good wallet. It works on both computer and Mac and Apple and mobile phones devices. So I'll have a link there for you at home. So make sure you have all of your crypto safe in your wallet. Never share your hardware key or seed phrase with anyone. Put it in the box and put it in a very safe place. Put the other code, because with the actual phone you have several different things you can write down. I suggest writing down 2 pages or write down 3, okay? Put one in a very safe place and put another one in a safe place. Do not keep the wallet and the code together, okay? You can mix up some things there. I hope you all liked this ONEKEY Classic video. It was probably a very long video for some of you, but it actually teaches you how to use the device itself. When you have this installed, you can go to the markets on the mobile phone when you have this connected, and you can choose whether you want what type of coins you want to buy, and you can have it in your safe ONEKEY app wallet with a key. This is a key, okay? I want to make this clear. This is the key. Without this device, you cannot use the app. Just saying. So I hope you all liked this video, and if you want to grab yourself a safe place to store all of your Bitcoin and crypto, use my link to get a discount when you buy any of the devices, okay? They have 3 different devices on the website, and you can buy whatever you want. I suggest buying a device that makes sure your crypto is safe, okay? Very important. I try to make sure that my subscribers learn as much as humanly possible, and eventually you will learn. So make sure you purchase yourself a safe wallet to use. Use this key below this video. Have a great day, and you can also buy crypto on other exchanges I have below. Have a great day. Make sure you learn as much as humanly possible. Whether you're sitting there on the chair or on the sofa, make sure you at home learn as much as humanly possible, and eventually you will learn, my friend. Hope you all have a great day. Take care. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, and share it with all of your wonderful friends.